Hello, my name is Manish Kumar and this is a brief demo of my internship project PixenBuy. PixenBuy is a front-end only e-commerce web application built with ReactJS, TypeScript, Tailwind CSS and shadcn. In this demo, I will walk you through the main features including product, browsing, live search, cart management and checkout. You can see this is the home page of this project. This project is deployed on Vercel, which you can see on this address bar. Now the home page is divided in 5 sections. This is header, this is hero section where I have stored all those carousels. This is a feature section. This is a product section where all products are listed, and I have added a pagination feature for this product section. And then we have a footer section at the bottom. In the nav bar, as you can see, there is a logo at the left side. In the center, there is a search bar where user can search the products. And in the right side, there is one category option, which will navigate us to the category page. And then there is a cart icon, which will navigate us to the cart page. Now, first, let's look in the home page. Now, as you can see, in the hero section, there are 3 carousels, which are changing automatically because I have set the set timeout of 5 seconds. But we can change the images by clicking on this right or left button. After that, there is a feature section which just simply explains all those features which this website has. After that, there is a product section. Currently, we have 20 products and all of them are fetched from fake stored API. Now there is a pagination feature here. We can go to the next page by clicking on the page number or just a next button. That's it for the home page. Now in the category page, one more thing. In the home page, you can go and click on the product and it will navigate us to the product page where all the details of the product available. As you can see, this is the title of the product, price, rating, description, and how much quantity you want, and then add to cart button. And if user clicks on the logo of the product, that is PixenBuy, it will navigate us to the home page. Now let's see the category page. There are 4 categories as of now: men's clothing, jewelry, electronics, and women's clothing. Any options I select, it will fetch us all those products which are related to that category. Now, and one more thing again, we can go to that product details page by clicking on the same as it was in the home page. Let's see the cart features. Let's say we want this product, men's cotton jacket. Let's say I want 2 of them. I select 2 option. We can increase and decrease the quantity, and when I click on the add cart button, the item has been added to the cart, and this is the notification feature for which I have used React Toastify. Now as you can see, the moment I have added the product, there is a 1 written here, which will only appear if there is 1 product in the cart. Now when I go to the cart page, you can see the same product is listed here with the same amount of quantity, and the price has been doubled since we are purchasing 2 of them. Now there are 2 options. If I click on continue shopping, it will set us to the category page because we have a better shopping experience here because all of them are distributed in the different categories. Now there are 2 options: proceed to checkout and continue shopping. Now when I click on proceed to checkout, it will navigate us to the checkout page. Checkout page, as you can see, it is divided in 2 sections. At the left side, we have customer details where user can enter their name, email, mobile number, and address. And the right side, we have order summary. Now, as you can see, this place order button is disabled, and it will only be clicked only when the user will fill these details. Now, in the shipping, there are 2 options: fast shipping and free shipping. The fast shipping, if we select fast shipping, then $10 will be added, and if we select free shipping, then those $10 will get deducted. Now let's fill the details. Uh, as you can see, the moment I filled all those details, this button, place order button, has been enabled. Now when I will click on it, it says order placed successfully, and it just has taken my name, which has been stored in the when I have entered the name, and the same is the price option. Now when I will go to the home page, it will navigate us to the home page, and as you can see, the cart gets empty because there is no sense to uh, leave those items in the cart because it has been already purchased. Now let's see the search product feature. Let's say I am searching men's, and as you can see, all those products related to men's has been listed here. And if I select, like, let's say men's cotton jacket, it will navigate us to the product page. And in the same way, we can add cart button and then go there and we can purchase it. So that's all the features of this project. It's a quick walkthrough of PixenBuy. It was a great learning experience, and I'm happy with how much I have grown working on this project during the internship. Thank you for watching.